Today we're working on the WJ Grand Cherokee, and one of the things that happens with this vehicle is that the door controls on the driver's control panel here don't work when the door's open. Now this is a common problem, usually caused by an earth fault, because when the door is closed and it earths through the catch there, it works. You can tell this because the courtesy light in the door doesn't work when the door's open, and it does when it's closed. So there's an earth fault. So the common place to look is in this rubber tubing grommet that goes from the door to the body. So to do that, we just pick off the sides and push it back, and bingo, right there. Can you see that brown cable? Focus. That brown cable there is the earth, and it is completely sheared. So we need to remake that connection, and hopefully everything will work. Now, I've just had a bit of a fiddle about, and there are two. The black one is the earth, and the brown one is, I don't know, another earth. Who can tell? And they're both just completely broken. So that explains that. So I'm going to see if I can get in and just splice these wires together, and we'll see if that fixes the fault. To get to work on those, I've had to split the rubber boot on the bottom. If it was a newer car, and if I cared, I'd go in from the back and disconnect the rubber. But I've split it on the bottom so that it won't have, it's to kind of minimise the effect. Hopefully it won't be too noticeable when I put it back together again. So I'm going to use a couple of crimp connectors now to connect those two wires back together. So those are those two reconnected with crimp connectors. You could do it with solder connectors as well, but I'm lazy. As you saw, I had to strip the ends of the wires using my Leatherman because there was a little bit of an issue getting the wire strippers in. So those are connected up. I did it live, and you shouldn't do live for this reason. So always disconnect the battery. I've connected them up, I've opened the door, and we've got a courtesy light. So obviously the courtesy light is working. It'd be nice if the windows work. So we'll go to accessory, and it works with the door open. Excellent. So there you go. I'm going to tidy that up, put it back together again. Nice, simple, quick little job, just that I found while I was doing something else. So hope that's helped you. If it has, then drop me a like or even a subscribe, because why wouldn't you want any more of this rubbish in your feed? Have a great day. Catch you later.